If you've been locked out of your Xbox account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you through the process efficiently. Step 1. Visit the Xbox sign-in page. Go to the official Xbox sign-in page on your web browser. This is where you will begin the process of recovering your account. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Xbox account. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure you receive the recovery information. Step 4. Choose a recovery method. You will be prompted to choose a recovery method, such as receiving a code via email or SMS. Select your preferred method and follow the instructions to receive the verification code. Step 5. Reset your password. Once you receive the verification code, enter it on the website. After verification, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to complete the reset process. Now that you have successfully reset your login credentials, you can look back into your Xbox account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.